Hello everyone. Today we will look at how to set up these warehouse racks. The first thing we need to do is to indicate the length, depth, and height of our rack. Minimum shelf width is an important parameter indicating the width of the shelf between the racks. It is also important to indicate the number of shelves. Speed, max and value allows some variety in the arrangement of shelves. Two slots for assigning materials, posts, and crossbars. Next, touch the settings for the protective line around the rack. Wide line allows you to specify the width of the line. Angle radius, radius of rounding at corners. Resolution. This parameter can be compared to the level of detail of the line. Offset. Offset of the line in the floor plane from the rack. Z. The indentation of the line from the floor. I would be happy to see my model in your projects and would be happy to answer your questions on LinkedIn.